Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use a Shopify Sidekick. If you want to try Shopify, you can use the link in the description or pinned comment to get a free trial plus 3 months for only $1 per month. It's a great way to follow this tutorial and test Shopify without paying full price right away. Just click the link below and create your store from there. Alright, so first up, to access Sidekick, go ahead and open up your Shopify admin. And then at the top right, you have it right here. Okay, this cute little boy, like a superhero icon. Okay, go ahead and click on it. And it's just basically an AI. All right. So go ahead and type a prompt in the chat box at the very bottom, or click on the microphone to use your voice mode. So core ways to use Sidekick. First up, you can analyze sales and inventory data. Okay, so for example, a sample prompt right here. Let's go ahead and try. So click on continue, allow while visiting the site. So connecting, just wait for it. Hi, why did my sales drop last week compared to the week before? All right, as you can see here, it's fetching store analytics. Just wait for it. So here we have the results. You can just basically click on it and it will automatically go to reports. And here we have the query. Can you explain to me what this is?
This page lets you create custom reports using Shopify QL, where you can select different metrics, filter data, and choose how you want to visualize it. Is there a specific part you're curious about?
All right, so that's a sample. Now we can go ahead and ask the Sidekick to create discounts and promotions. So for example, can you go ahead and generate a 15% discount or a discount code called Welcome15 for the first time buyers? Yeah, please go ahead and take me through the discount page. All right, as you can see here, as fast as that, we are now under discount page. You can go ahead and basically ask the AI right here which buttons to click or what to do. So can you go ahead and open up the online store editor? Can you go ahead and change my storefront's or store's font and apply a pastel color palette that feels welcoming? So you stated you can't do it under voice commands, but if I write it down in a text, can you do it?
Yes, those kinds of changes are possible in text mode. I'll end the call for us now.
So the AI stated clearly that it can do whatever you want by using the text mode. So for example, this one right here, this specific prompt, change my store's font and apply a pastel color palette that feels welcoming. So let's just wait for it. As you can see here, just wait for it to customize the thing. You could also ask the AI right here to rewrite the product descriptions to sound more playful and emphasize that it's organic. So let's just wait for it. And here we have it. As you can see, it's now changed. Rewrite this product description to sound more playful and emphasize that it's organic, as I've said earlier. So let's just wait for it. So let's go ahead and click on a product like this one right here. This one. Add a description. All right, so that's just basically it. That's how simple it is to use Shopify Sidekick. It's like using ChatGPT right here, but it's doing the work for you. Okay, so let's just wait for the final result right here so that you'll be able to see it. And by the way, for the discount codes, you can go ahead and ask the AI right here to not use the voice mode if you want them to create one for you. So say, for example, this one, I'm just going to go ahead and add in. So to go ahead and view it, let's go ahead and go to our Shopify admin right here. And under products, we will be able to see it under our computer. So I think this is the one or not. So let's just go ahead and redo it. And here we have it. It says here, meet your new favorite workstation, grown from good vibes and pure organic craftsmanship. This computer isn't just a machine, it's a naturally awesome companion for everything you do. So there you have it. Again, that is how you use Shopify Sidekick. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.